Welcome to our channel. If you need to create or obtain a standard USA birth certificate for the first time, follow these step-by-step instructions to secure this essential document. Step 1. Understand that you cannot create a birth certificate yourself. Birth certificates are official government documents issued by the state or jurisdiction where you were born. Step 2. Determine which state or territory you were born in, as this is where you must request your birth certificate. Each state has its own vital records office. Step 3. Visit the CDC's website at cdc.gov/nchs and use the Where to Write for Vital Records tool to find contact information for your birth state's vital records office. Step 4. Verify what documents you need to prove your identity and eligibility to request the birth certificate. Typically, you'll need a government-issued photo, ID, and proof of relationship to the person named on the certificate. Step 5. Determine what form of birth certificate you need. A certified copy with a raised seal is required for official purposes like passports, while informational copies are for genealogy. Step 6. Complete the application form required by your state's Vital Records Office. This is usually available on their website or by mail. Step 7. Pay the required fee, which varies by state, but typically ranges from $15 to $30 per copy. Some states accept credit cards online, while others require money orders. Step 8. Submit your request online, by mail, or in person, depending on what your state offers. Processing times vary, but typically take 2 to 4 weeks by mail or same day if you visit in person. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.